Healthy and shiny hair, that's what everybody wants while using a hair mask. And today I'm going to review and compare two very famous hair masks from different price segments. This is going to be an OLAPLEX No.8 hair mask and OGX Coconut Miracle Oil hair mask. Let's go! Hello my friends, welcome back, and if you're new, my name is Anna, and on this channel we talk about cozy things, beauty, style, travel and so much more. And my main aim with this channel is to really make you feel better about yourself and about your life, hopefully. And in case nobody told you this today, I am so proud of you for showing up for yourself today. And let's jump into the topic of our today's video, and that's going to be hair and hair products. I've already reviewed some hair products on my channel. Recently, I've done a review for OLAPLEX hair oil, which is so famous and so popular right now, and that was not a very good review. If you're interested in that video, I will leave a link in the description below. And I also shared my story of how I've grown my hair so much longer during the last year. That video will be in the description down below as well. And today we're going to talk about hair masks. Hair masks is a product that I started using when I decided that I want to grow my hair longer. I wanted to make my hair longer than I used to have it. And I didn't really understand why I needed hair masks before, but then my hairdresser explained to me that hair masks really help us repair the damage of the hair, like cure the split ends hopefully, and this way our hair, it doesn't grow faster but it doesn't break as fast. That's why we don't need to cut our hair that often, and this way we'll let our hair grow longer. So this was the first hair mask that I started using in my hair mask journey, and I've been repurchasing this product for more than 2 years already, and this one has been in my life for about 6 to 8 months, I think. And I'm going to compare these two masks today. So first one, OLAPLEX. This is not the masks that I feel has an immediate effect on your hair. I will pop a video on the screen of how my hair looks the day after I apply this hair mask, after washing the hair with OLAPLEX shampoo. Then I apply this hair mask, I leave it for 1 hour, and then I rinse it out. The full name of the product is OLAPLEX No.8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Moisturizes, smoothes, adds body and shine. This hair mask is suitable for all hair types. Inside of the packaging you have 100 milliliters, and the price of this product is 30 euro. This is definitely a pricey product, but I would say it lasts a really long time. I think I go through 2 packages of this one per year, and I think it's quite fine for the hair mask. Also, a good thing about it is that it's really easy not to get too much of it on the hair because of a very easy to use pump like that. Because with this one, it's really easy to grab with your fingers too much out of the jar. With this one, you don't grab too much. You just take the amount that you need. OLAPLEX suggests 2 pumps of this hair mask for the shoulder length hair. I would say I use a minimum 4. I think 4 to 5 pumps I use of this hair mask, and I'm using this one once. I'm using any of the hair masks once per week. Right now I'm using these hair masks one by one, so I'm doing like a self-care Sunday, and one Sunday I would use an OLAPLEX, and the next Sunday I would use OGX. I'm always keeping my hair mask on my hair for 1 hour, but OLAPLEX suggests that you keep this hair mask on your hair only for 10 minutes. However, they say that it's okay if you leave it for longer. It might even lead to better results. The main goal that I achieved with this hair mask is that I went from cutting my hair once in 2 months to cutting my hair once in 3 to 4 months, and I'm really happy about it. Now I can grow my longer hair faster. Let's move to the second product, and the second product is an OGX hair mask. It is Damage Remedy Coconut Miracle Oil hair mask. It says it starts working in 60 seconds, and on the packaging it is written that you are supposed to leave it for only for 3 to 5 minutes, but I love leaving my hair masks for an hour. I feel like they are penetrating my hair better, and they are working even better during this period of time. By the way, the smell of this hair mask is really strong. It strongly smells like coconut, and when you're walking around the apartment with this hair mask on your head, like, you can feel the smell of coconut. First time it was a little bit disturbing for me, but then I got used to it and I'm actually loving it. The hair mask of OLAPLEX has the signature scent of OLAPLEX. I think it's like a light citrusy smell for me. I don't mind it, but it's not an amazingly beautiful scent. This hair mask for me gives more visible effects straight after I use it. So after I use this hair mask and I dry my hair, I see more shine straight away. And that's why I'm loving this product. I'm using this one for, as I said, 6 to 8 months, I think. And at first I was using this one alone. I didn't use it together with OLAPLEX in order to be able to analyze the results that you can achieve only with this hair mask. And I think it is working worse than this one in repairing your damaged hair over time. Unfortunately, this is not exactly the same effect of OLAPLEX, but I think the effect is still good enough. If you use it consistently once per week, I think your hair is getting better over time. It's not as good as this product, but it is also not as expensive as the OLAPLEX. The price of this one in Europe is about €11, and here you get 300 milliliters comparing to 100 milliliters. What you are supposed to achieve with an OGX hair mask is silky, soft and healthy looking hair, and this mask helps you soften and revive strands. To sum it up, we can look at the way my hair looks on the videos that I filmed on the days when I used an OLAPLEX hair mask or OGX coconut oil hair mask, and we can try to analyze and find the differences in the way the hair looks, but in my opinion there is almost no difference that you can see on the video. Maybe you can see just a little bit more shine with OGX coconut oil mask. In real life, when I'm touching my hair and I'm feeling it, I think that the hair is a little bit softer and silkier with a coconut oil hair mask. And to sum it up, in my opinion, both of these products are worth the money and are worth the try, and it really depends what kind of goal you have in mind. If you want to have an instantly shinier and softer hair, like today, I think you should go for the OGX coconut oil hair mask. But you should keep in mind that in 2-3 days after you used this mask, your hair is not going to stay the same. It will basically go back to the way it was. But with continuous use, like after about 3 months, you will see a little bit of difference. Your hair is not going to be as damaged as it used to be. But with OLAPLEX, while I don't see an immediate effect, I feel that it gives you more visible effects over time. After continuous use of this product for 3 months, half a year, you feel that your hair is healthier and you don't feel like you need to go to the hairdresser to cut it as often as you used to. And that was my review of these hair products. Do you have your favorite hair masks? I'm really curious to find out what those hair masks are. Please leave your comments down below for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and push the like button if you found this video useful. I will see you very soon with more beauty and style videos. Bye!